don't even know me like that, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna show y'all niggas that, man, Jay out here. You know what I'm saying? Check it out. Man, I didn't mean to go bananas. I didn't mean to hit your ass with the hammer. Dog, you was my fucking man, but you didn't understand that I'm doing what I can. Man, I beat the shit from the ground up. I know the shit in my background, I'm towned up. Chi-town for days, niggas getting paid. It's growth and development, cause that shit paid. I'm looking at you niggas making minimum wage, looking at me while I'm getting paid. It's hustle pay. Hustle pay for days, I'm the CEO. J.I. the greatest, I run the show. I'ma get the dough, and I'ma stack it off the floor and spend that shit on what I need and be broke as hell in the fucking league. But I built it from the ground up. Look around, nigga, I got the town fucked. SD on my back now, but I don't give a fuck, cause I'm on the respect now. On the spot repair right now. I fucked up on the track, but I'm gonna bring it back down. It's West Side till the day I die. And I see the tear in my mama's eyes. G.O.D., he calling me. Yeah, he really calling me. Cause I'm talking to you niggas. And I know really what I need is school you niggas. Y'all ain't thinking the game over. Wanna get it up to the ceiling, cuz I'm known for that. Run it back.